Today we have a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is entitled Wife Finally Meets Karma After Years of Terrorizing Husband.
On November 22, 2024, officers were dispatched to a residence in response to a reported domestic dispute.
Jesus Christ, take her to jail right now.
All right.
She's beating the shit out of me.
Okay.
She is drunk as what? Thank you.
Oh, it's gonna get in the house. Garage.
Here, I got you.
174. Mail's out of the house. She just locked the front door. Are you injured?
No.
Okay.
Fucking Ironman triathlete. I'm good.
I get it, but you know.
Right. Don't worry about me. Just go pick your
Hey, stop.
No, you stop.
Do not close that door.
You.
Your hands behind your back. You're being detained with handcuffs right now.
I'm not being detained with
You back up.
handcuffs.
You back up.
I'm not being detained with handcuffs.
Okay.
Why am I being detained with handcuffs?
Stop.
You are safe.
If you continue obstructing, you're going to be also arrested for...
Stop it! Stop. Mommy!
Stop.
Oh no, Mommy! What the f?
Okay.
Why?
Stop.
Stop. Holy shit.
Hands behind your back.
Holy shit. What?
You're under arrest. Stop resisting.
For what? What the
Relax.
I am not relaxing.
Stop resisting. You are
I
under
am
arrest.
not. For what? Holy. For what? For?
I've already advised you. You are under arrest. Stop
For
resisting.
what?
Get that out.
You threw this away. Are you good?
Good? You guys are.
What has happened since we left?
Stop hurting me. Please stop hurting me.
Can you stand up?
Please stop hurting me.
Can you stand up? I will adjust those, okay?
Please stop hurting me.
Can you stand up? I'm trying to help
Please
you
stop
stand up.
hurting me.
We're not even touching you.
Please,
Right now. I'm
you,
just holding you upright. Those are the
oh.
handcuffs. Those are the handcuffs on your back right now. That's what.
Please stop hurting me.
Do you see us doing anything?
You are not listening.
What's your first name?
Please. What is my first name?
Yeah. I've never met you before. What's your first name?
My name is Jamie Culp.
Okay, Jamie.
Jamie. My name is Jamie Ann Boyle.
So, Jamie, do you know why we're here?
I know that my f***ing husband is a f***ing liar.
Okay, so why is he telling us that you're hitting him, that you're being violent with him, that you're yelling at him?
You better take these handcuffs off me.
We're not going to do that right this second, all right? Because it took us a while to get you in those handcuffs, so we don't want to go through that fight again.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you something right now.
Sit on the truck.
Oh, sure. I'll sit on the chair.
Okay. Because we don't want you falling over either. I don't know if you're too steady on your feet.
You want to sit on the chair? I'm listening to you. Can you tell me what's going on?
This is f***ing bullshit.
Why?
Because I am abused.
How so? I won't know unless you tell me.
You know what, honey? I have just, I've seen your face, and you are just going to minimize my experience, and that's fine. And I'm going to tell you what.
Can, yeah, somebody go talk to him and make sure.
I'm going to tell you what.
Yeah, we're listening to.
This is insane. And in 2021, I was arrested for hurting him because he deserved it, and I do not. Please take these off of my
We're not going to do that right
Jamie, let me. Let's restart.
He is.
Look.
My kids.
Okay. Do
Listen,
you want to talk in the garage or something else?
I would really like some water.
Okay.
And
So sure, I'll get you water, okay?
I would like a lot of water, and I am in a seriously abusive relationship, and I just barely
Look, Jamie.
made it out of.
Here's the thing.
Listen to me.
Okay.
You know what?
Jamie, I'll be honest.
You don't know anything about my fucking life.
We're trying to figure it out. We're trying to listen to
You
you
don't.
figure it out.
No, so
never-
fucking-
Would you like this water?
I would love this water, and I
handcuffs are
would
staying
love. Why?
Because you know how long it took us to
You
get you in those handcuffs?
already obstructed that.
You are insane.
We're past that.
This
We're
is
trying to
insane.
give you some water. Do you
This
want
is
the water?
insane. This is
No, it's
totally
not insane,
insane.
Jamie.
My dad is a fucking cop in Chicago.
Jamie,
Please
how
call
about we
him.
focus on today?
Please,
Tell me what happened.
I'm sorry that I'm sorry that I had a baby during COVID, and this motherfucker has influenced you in some way or another. I cannot believe that I have handcuffs on me again.
They're staying on there.
I cannot believe that it is inappropriate.
Listen, Jamie, we've been talking.
Please just listen to me.
We're not getting anywhere.
Please
with the way
just listen to me. Please just.
You know how bad it's got to be for a man to call the cops on a woman. It's got to be bad. Typically, this isn't all cases, because I know I'll have some of you in the comment section. Well, not all people are like that. Not all men are like that. Not all women are like that. Well, no crap, okay? No crap, all right? We're talking in generalization right here. But for the most part, men don't call the cops on their lady like that. Like, there's abuse that happens both ways, right? There's men that are, not treating their lady right, and then there's women who are not treating their man right. But in both cases, scenarios, it's more common for the woman to call the cops on a man, if they're, not treating them right. But for a man to call the cops on a woman, it's got to be bad. It's got to be bad. It's got to be bad. Like, it's just like, it's the last resort, it's the last resort type of deal. And she's definitely looks like she's either drunk or under the influence or something, maybe popping pills or something. I don't know what she doing, but and she has a history of this. So if she's saying she was locked up in 2021 for putting her hands on him, well, in this case right here, or in the bottom of the screen, it said, or 2020 or 2021, whatever she said, it's 2024 now. So it's been 3 years since then. And I'm sure within those 3 years, she's put her hands on him again. Because that's the thing with abusers, whether it's a man or a woman, if they do it once, they're going to do it again. That's why you got to nip it in the butt the first time. If a guy's smacking up a woman, you know what I'm saying, she got to leave the first time, because if not, it's going to happen again. The same thing in reverse. Now the only difference is that most of the time, if a woman is smacking up a man, they'll eat it. You know what I mean? They'll be like, all right, go ahead. Because if a man inflicts that same stuff that she doing on her whole shit gonna be, it's gonna look bad. It's gonna be crazy just because the strength of a man, so it's just, but anyways, men, you gotta leave, but it's tough. You got kids and all that stuff. You're not trying to break up your home for the kids and everything like that, whatever. But look, if the roles are reversed, she'll leave your ass. Like, come on, man, guys, it sucks. Nobody don't want to be paying no child support and losing half your shit and all that. Well, that's your fault. You got married, but it is what it is. Listen, you gotta get rid of a man, because a kid growing up in a toxic household, they see these things. You know, they see these arguments. They see, you know, cops being called to the house and all of that type of stuff. And that's not good. You know, it would be better for you guys to just split. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt your pockets. It's gonna hurt your pockets, but it's better for you to just split because, you know, you don't want your kids going through this. Like, honestly, you know, I mean, I wouldn't. If I was a parent, I wouldn't want my kids going through nothing like this.
Stop talking.
Focus on today then, okay?
Stop fucking talking.
Go for it.
How about that?
She needs to be in a mental hospital. She needs to be
Well, the
in a
problem-
rehabilitation institute.
The problem is Illinois got rid of them all. So it's either jail or going all the way down to Chester.
So, what happened today?
What happened today?
Mm-hmm.
What happened in the last 5 years? And I cannot believe that I have handcuffs on my wrists. What happened in the last 5 years? He is a f***ing piece of shit. I'm a f***ing special ed director.
That's great.
Stop. Can I please stop?
Sure. I'm listening.
I didn't try and hurt him. I didn't try and hurt my kids. So when you walked and raided in, so was the report that I tried to hurt him or my kids?
Yes.
Yeah, he's a liar.
Okay. So how did his shirt get ripped?
I don't know.
We were here not even 10 minutes ago. His shirt wasn't ripped, but now it's ripped.
Why would he be calling 911 saying that you're hitting him?
And my 300-pound husband is calling you.
300.
Oh, I'm sorry. 170 maybe?
Okay.
I'm sorry. Where are you going?
I'm just going to speak with your husband real quick.
I'm so about what? About what?
Why he called 911?
Yeah?
So, Jamie, the only reason we're here is because he called, said you were being violent with him, yelling with him, and fighting with him.
Of course it is,
So now
because we are going to be divorced.
Okay.
And he is trying to f***ing...
So the reason he called
I'm sorry. I'm totally sorry. Like, Dave, have you seen the size of this person?
Your husband?
Versus the size of me?
I've seen your husband 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I am.
Size doesn't make that big of a difference when it comes to
You know
that.
what? You're full of shit. My attacks on him have also always and ever and never been in response to his attacks. So I cannot believe that I'm in handcuffs right now.
So
You are crazy. Like, this is insane. Like, this is actually insane. I have parents and brothers. You have handcuffed me because I have screamed at my husband. This is insane.
Try now.
This is insane. He hurt me. He hurt me several times, multiple times. I know how this works. You don't have any power over this. You cannot book me. I didn't do anything wrong. I was a mean mom that yelled at my husband. Uncuff me. Not.
Why don't you have a seat again, all right?
And how about you just uncuff me right now?
That's not going to happen. So
It's
we're here.
not?
If you let me explain, you'll know why. So right now we're
You
here
know
for-
what?
Okay, keep talking over me.
I would like not for you to let go of me right now.
Why are you in handcuffs right now?
Okay, Jimmy,
You better
So-
have your shit on.
It is, Jamie.
You better have all
Jamie, you're
of
under arrest for
your-
domestic battery. We're gonna go.
We're going to go for a walk.
I'm under arrest for domestic battery.
Do not.
No way. No f***ing way.
Actually, if you want to hold on, I'll put my other glove in front of
You gotta be out of your mind.
All right, come on. Let's go.
No. You are out of your mind. You are out of your mind. You are out of your mind. No.
You're at it.
No.
You don't have a choice.
No. No, this is not.
And you're gonna get resistant
This
for
is
all
a
that
lie.
pulling
For
away.
what?
Resisting or
You
obstruction,
are-
whatever, whichever one they choose.
Don't make this hard.
No, this is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. I am
Come around
not.
to the corner here. Go ahead and
For
slide in.
what?
Go ahead and
Domestic.
slide in.
Domestic battery.
Go and have a seat, ma'am. Lift your other leg up.
Listen to me. But please,
We're listening.
please,
What's going on?
please, please stop.
All right, lean back.
No, please, please,
Okay.
please.
Jimmy, we can talk more in St. Charles, okay? When we're north.
No,
Keep your foot in.
Keep your foot in. We don't want that in the door.
please.
Jamie, you need to stop resisting.
Keep your foot in, or you're gonna get charged with resisting. You wanna get charged with resisting? Keep your foot in.
The woman was charged with domestic battery.
Oh, they didn't hit her with resisting? I would have definitely hit her with resisting too. But yeah, man, it's just point blank period, man. Someone's being abusive to you in your relationship. You gotta split. Deuces. You know what I'm saying? It's better for you and better for your children. You know, yeah, growing up in separate households, yeah, it's pretty crappy for a child or whatever, but it's better to grow up in separate households than to grow up in one toxic household. All right. Arguments every couple weeks, every day. It's not good. Anyways, but yeah, the officers did a good job overall. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm gonna give them a 5. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video.